So it looks like what we have here is a full outdoor set. We have a silver truck, a black motorcycle, 2 people, 2 4-wheelers, 1 blue, 1 red, and we have a trailer. We have a gas, we have some tools, we have 2 helmets, and we have 4 traffic cones. So let's just talk about it for a second. So the 4-wheelers, I just want to point out, they look really nice. I love the detail. And also what I want to do is, because these doors, I really like how they can go all the way back. So let's unbox this baby and let's play with it. So first, what you want to do is you want to take this and then pull it out. And then you want to put these 2 white pieces down and up. And then you want to slowly yank this out like that. And then now you just have to get scissors and cut it. So there's one thing that I have to tell y'all. Make sure that you have an adult around so they can help you around sharp objects. Okay, everybody, so we got it unboxed. Now we're gonna go on an adventure through the wild forest. So now let's go. I think I'm gonna get on the dirt bike. So let's get him out. So I'm gonna unload the trailer. I'm gonna flip the bed down. So let's grab the gas and fill it up with some gas. Go, 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 go. Okay, so now it's ready for me to drive. But remember guys, safety first. Get your helmet on. Now let's go and ride. Vroom, 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 vroom. Oh, watch out, there's a tree in the way. No problem, I can run over it with my giant 4-wheeler wheels. Hey, you know what we can do? Hit that giant ramp over there. Yeah, sure. You go first. Woo! That was amazing. Now let's sit down and see what he does. Vroom, vroom, vroom. That was amazing. Let's get back on our journey. Yeah. But soon it's going to be time to head back home so we can do stuff at home. Oh, so it looks like it's time to go back home. So let's go back home. Another jump couldn't hurt. Oh, look, there's our truck. Now it's time to load everything up. So let me drive my dirt bike back up. First, let me get the cones and everything off. And then let's get the dirt bike and let's put the cone and then the toolbox and then the gas. And now let's put our helmets. I think we should put our helmets. I'm gonna put mine I'm gonna put mine here, and I'm gonna put mine here. So now it's time to get in the passenger seat. Oh wait, yeah, I have to hook up the bed to that. And so now, let's go home. Okay. Oh yeah, that's a great idea. So now let's get in the door, if I even can. Now it's time to drive back home. So now let's go. Oh gosh. So if you guys want to know where we got this from, just go to Bass Pro Shop. It's where we found it, and Bass Pro Shop, thank you for making these awesome toys. So, and the mini adventure that we had, that was a lot of fun. I enjoyed it with my dad. And please subscribe, that could really help us out. And bye.